Mga kasenso, we have here the Season 2 champion, the Bureau of Fire Protection. Ato makamusta? Mag-hi daw sila. Sir, unsa man inyong ika-istorya nga kamo ang nag-back-to-back champion this season?
First and foremost, no, I'd like to thank dear Lord, no, for guiding us throughout the game. For without Him, no, this thing will not be possible. And of course, sa mga supporters namo, especially to our regional director, who have been very supportive of us. And then all the BFP personnel of Region 9, para sa inyo tong lahat. Ang tagumpay namin ay tagumpay ninyo, mga friends and relatives. Well, ang masasabi ko lang, my players really did their best, no. Yesterday, we have a dialogue. I motivate them. Sabi ko sa kanila, kailangan natin konting physicality because we cannot win this game, no, without a little physical, no? Kasi yung police, alam natin, very physical sila. So we counter them with the same weapon. And then the eagerness, then yung trapping defense. So at the end of the day, the victory sa amin napunta. So thank you very much, no? Thank you very much.
Yes. Grabe talaga, literal na nagpa-fire ang Bureau of Fire Protection. Once again, meron ba kayong mga ipang shoutout dyan po?
So to our Almighty Father, nasabi na ni Sir and sa BFP and especially to my wife, Jane Hazel Pameron Maghinay, my daughter, Daniela Clarissa Maghinay, and Nash Arthur Maghinay. Thank you.
Yes, go sir.
Shoutout dyan sa Zamboanga comment section and sa inspection dyan.
Basta lang sir, basta.
Shout out to my wife and daughter. Hi there.
Shout out sa akong wife and daughters, si Kim, si Kendra, ug si Kylie. Daghang salamat.
Shout out sa wife ug sa kong son. Bye bye. Og sa butakal sa Aurora Fire Station. Shout out ko sa mga butakal ya.
Okay, shout out ko sa akong family, sa akong parents, nanay, tatay. Thank you sa support. I love you, nanay, tatay.
Yes, so good evening. Shout out to my family, especially to my wife, to my baby. Uuwi na si Papa. And also to our Fire Marshal, Sir Leo. Thank you for your support.
Shout out to my family, shout out to my wife, my baby Adam, and the Mercedes family.
First and foremost, to God be the glory. Shout out sa pinakamaganda kong misis. Yun lang.
So, magandang gabi sa lahat. So, first and foremost, shout out sa asawa ko na dun. Oh. I can finally call her my wife. So, thank you.
Good evening. First of all, shout out to Almighty God. To my family, to my fiancé from Zamboanga, to all personnel from Zamboanga City, to Sir Leo Puquinto, to all Mercedes personnel. Thank you.
Good evening sa lahat. Shoutout din pala sa wife ko nandun banda sa bench at saka sa mga fans. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting us.
Oh, hello, shout out sa akong pamilya, shout out sa akong uyab nga gwapa kayo. Hi be. Shout out sa akong mga cheerleader.
Shout out sa Putis Life, sa Jinton.
And sorry, for my Santa Catalina Fire Substation, thank you for your support. For the Team Buyong, thank you for your support. And for the team, all of the BFP Region 9, thank you for your support.
Yes, once again, congratulations, BFP. Padayon pag-asenso.